Whether you are a homeowner or a business, a blocked drain or pipe can seriously upset your day. To clear a blocked pipe or drain, our expert team at P24 Relining use the latest drain clearing device, the 500 psi high-pressure hydrojet drain cleaner. With a hydrojet drain cleaner, our specialist will clear your blocked drain, flush out your entire line, and have your pipes flowing as good as new. It's just like a high-pressure car wash for your sewer or stormwater pipes. Our high-pressure hydrojet drain cleaner can cut through tree roots, debris, and waste buildup. Plus, it's more aggressive on blockages and much gentler on your pipes than the old drain snake and electric eel methods. The hydrojet drain cleaner not only makes our job easier and quicker, but also gives you the results you want and deserve without taking forever and costing you your hard-earned cash. So, for all your hydrojet drain cleaning needs in Sydney, you only have to remember one name: P24 Relining.